Alright guys, so I'm on my mobile phone right now and I'm going to walk you through the entire step. But before we get started, I quickly want to give out a quick disclaimer that trading cryptocurrency can be a risky investment, and me myself, I'm not a financial advisor, so all videos on my YouTube channel are meant for informational purpose only. Alright, so that being said, let's get started. Alright, so I've outlined the things we're going to be needing for us to successfully create the account and start trading with the Royal Q app. All right, so the first thing we need to do now is to create an account. So after we've created our account, you need to download the app, then log in with the details you used to create the account. So after that, you want to activate the account, you want to activate the app, and for you to activate the app, you need to deposit 120 USDT to activate the app. So after that, you want to link the app with your Binance account, because the app is going to be using your Binance account to trade a cryptocurrency for you. So after you successfully do that, then you can start trading. Then finally, I'm going to add my referral link at the description of the video. So once you want to create your account, you can just go there to create your account. So once you use my referral link, I would drop a WhatsApp group at the description of the video, so you can just join the group from there. Then I'll be able to add you to the VIP group, where we're going to be dropping CM trading signal, then advanced settings that you can use to trade with the app and get advanced returns on your investment. All right, so that being said, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do now is you want to go to the description of the video to click the link, and once you've clicked the link, you're going to see something like this. So what you want to do here is you want to enter your email address. So after you've entered your email address, they are going to send a verification code to your email address. So you need to copy the code and paste it here. So I'm going to click on send verification. Okay, so after that, what you want to do now is you want to enter the email address you want to use. So I'm going to enter mine now. Then enter it again to confirm the password. So my invitation code is J557Y. All right, so after that, what you want to do now, you want to go to your email, then to copy the code. So my own code is 426032. So that is what I'm going to be entering here. So it's going to be 426032. All right, so after that, what you want to do now is you want to click on this register to create your account. So I'm going to click on register. So successfully registered. All right, so what you want to do now here is you want to change the language to English. Okay, so after that, you need to download the app. So I'm using an Android phone, so I'm going to click on Google Play to download the app. All right, so what we want to do now is you want to install it. Okay guys, so after successfully installing the app, what you want to do now is you want to open the app, then click on allow to access your phone. So now you now log in with your email address and the password you used to create the account. So I'm quickly going to enter my details to log in right now. Okay, so once you've entered your email address and your password, click on login to log into the account. All right, so we are now logged in. So this is what the account is going to look like. So back to what I said. So the next thing we want to do now is we want to activate the app. All right, so for you to activate the app, what you want to do now is you want to come here. So once you click on it, you're going to see something like this. So as you can see, it says activate. So this is because your account is not yet activated. Once your account is activated, you're going to see renew here. So it's not going to show the activate button instead. So what you want to do now is you want to come to the third row here that says asset. So once you click on asset, you're going to see your wallet address. So from here, you'll be able to copy your wallet address to deposit the 120 USDT to activate the account. So what you want to do now is you want to click on deposit, the left one at the extreme hand side, deposit. So once you click on deposit, you're going to be able to copy your wallet address. All right, so to activate your account, you need to deposit a 120 USDT. So what you want to do now is you want to go over to Binance. So if you don't have a Binance account, I'm also going to add a link at the description of the video to create a Binance account. So you need to create your Binance account, then verify the account. So once your Binance account is verified, you can use Binance to buy USDT, then use it to activate your account. So let's assume you have a Binance account and your account is activated and is verified. Okay, so what you want to do now is you want to come to your Binance account, then come here. So click on home. So once you click on home, you should be able to see something like this. So after that, come to more right here. Okay, so once you clicked on more, you'll be able to see transfer, deposit, order, referral. Then what you want to do now is you want to come to P2P right here. So click on P2P. So once you click on P2P, you'll be able to deposit money and use your money to buy USDT. So what you want to do now is, you might not see something like this. Your own might be the normal P2P. So if it's the normal P2P, this is what you're going to do. So what you want to do instead is you want to click on this toggle button here. So once you click on it, it's going to bring out this toggle menu here. So what you want to do now is you want to click on Express. So once you click on Express, you'll be able to deposit the amount of money you want to use to buy the USDT. So if currently I'm in Nigeria, so that is why it's showing NGN. So for you to use your country currency, what you want to do now is you want to click on this NGN here. Okay, so if you click on it, it's going to bring out the currency, so you can choose your country currency here. So but mine is Nigerian, so I'm going to be using Nigerian. So once you've done that, so you want to indicate the amount of USDT you want to buy. So this is USDT here. So this is where you're going to choose USDT, as you can see. So we have USDT, we have Bitcoin, we have BUSD. So just click on USDT. So once you click on USDT, then you need to specify the amount of money you want to buy here. So here it's going to ask you to enter the amount of USDT you want to buy in Naira. But for you to know the actual price, what I usually do is I come here, then click on buy crypto instead. So buy crypto instead. So once you click on that, it's going to show you the amount of USDT you want to buy. So the amount of USDT we need to activate the account is 120 USDT. So you can add more, because once your account is activated, it is the amount of USDT you have in your USDT wallet that the app is going to be using to trade for you. So let's just assume what we want to do now is 120. What we want to buy now is 120 USDT. So I'm going to enter 120 USDT here. All right, so after that, what you want to do is click buy with zero fee. Okay, so once you click on that, it's going to show you the amount of the value of 120 USDT in your currency. So in my own currency, it's 61,095. All right, so after that, what you're going to do is click confirm purchase. So after you've clicked confirm purchase, they are going to bring out the payment details you're going to use to buy the USDT. So what you want to do here is you want to click on bank here. Okay, so click on bank. So once you click on bank, it's going to bring out the person payment details. So once you sent the money to the person, so what you want to do now is you want to click on transferred here. Okay, so once you send the money and you click on transferred here, so within 5 minutes, it might not be up to that, the money is going to drop in your USDT wallet. All right, so once the money has dropped in your USDT wallet, you can now copy your your Royal Q USDT wallet address, copy it, then come back to Binance to send the money to your Royal Q wallet for you to be able to activate the account. So let's say you want to send the money to your Royal Q account. So what I usually do is come here. So once you click on it, you're going to see this option here, Binance Lite. Okay, so I want you to click on this toggle button here. So once you click on the toggle button, it's going to change to Binance Lite. All right, so what you want to do now is you want to click the third one at the right hand side, which is wallet. So what you want to do now is you want to come to your USDT. Okay, so this is my USDT. So currently I think I have $89 here. So let's assume you have your 120 US dollar here. So what you want to do now is you want to click on withdraw. Okay, so now this is where you're going to paste the address you copied from your Royal Q wallet. No, the address you copied from here. So you're going to come here, then paste it here. So once you've placed it there, it's going to add the network automatically. But here what you want to do is you want to indicate the amount of money you want to send. So let's assume you want to send 120 USDT. So what you're going to do is you're going to add the amount of USDT you want to send here, so which is going to be 120. So I don't have up to 120, so let me just say 20. So after that, what you're going to do now is you're going to click on withdraw. So once you click on withdraw, it's going to ask you to enter some code. So they are going to send a code to your email address and as well to your phone number. So you're going to enter the code, then click confirm. So once the money drop in your Royal Q wallet, you'll be able to see the money here. So you're going to see asset here, this third one. So you're going to see the amount here. So once the amount is there, so click on this activate button here. So once the money is in the account is going to be activated automatically by clicking the button. So once you've done that, that means you've activated your account. So the next thing we're going to be doing is to link the Royal Q app with our Binance API key. All right, so what you want to do now is you want to go to your Royal Q app, then come here, then click on the fourth one, which is API binding. Once you click on it, you're going to see Binance and you're going to see Huobi. So I think the popular one that everybody is using is Binance, because I think Binance is one of the biggest crypto exchange out there. So what you want to do is just click on it. Okay, so you're going to see API key, secret key, then verification code. So you need to copy your API key from your Binance account, then the secret key, then the verification code that is sent to your email address, then paste it here, then click on this I have read the risk notice carefully. So click on it, then click on bind. So for you to get your Binance API key and secret key, so what you need to do, you need to come back to Binance here. So click on this, click on the profile menu here. So once you click on the profile menu, you need to click this toggle button, the one we ticked earlier. So you need to untick it so we can go back to the professional mode. So click on it. So it's going to take us back to the Binance Pro. All right, so what you want to do now is you want to click on more here. All right, so what you're going to do now is you want to scroll down. So once you click on that more, you're going to see stuff like this. So you want to scroll down, then come to API management. All right, so click on API management. All right, so once you click on the API management, it's going to ask you to create a new API. So you can just create a name for the new API you want to create. So it could just be Royal. So you could just give it a name like Royal Q bot. So it could be anything. So once you've given it a name, so what you want to do now is you want to click on this create API button here. So once you've clicked on it, it's going to bring out the API key. So once it brings out the API key, you're going to see it here. So just click on this toggle button here, then copy the API key, then copy your own secret key. Your own secret key is not going to be like this, it's going to show. Now this is because I've done it. Okay, so your own is going to show. So copy the two, copy the API key, then the secret key, then go to your Royal Q account, then paste it here, the secret key, paste it here. So this verification code, click on this send. So once you click on the send, they are going to send the code to your email address. All right, so you want to copy the email, you want to copy the code, then paste it here. So after you've placed the API key here and secret key here, click on this button, then click on bind. So it's going to bind your account automatically. All right, so the next thing we want to do now is to start trading. So once your account is activated, the next thing you want to do now is to start trading. So let's assume you've done everything I've walked us through from the beginning. So the next thing you want to do now is you want to click on this toggle button here. So it's going to bring out a disclaimer like this. All right, so after it does bring something like this, just click on agree, then click on start now. So it's going to ask you to take the following risk test and the following risk test. So what you want to do is just going to click on this, then click on this, click on this, then click submit. All right, so once you've clicked on submit, you'll be able to trade. Okay, so for you to trade, what you want to do now is you want to come to this quantitative here. So once you come on quantitative, you'll be able to see the pair that you can trade. Okay, so remember that this account is not activated. I just want to show you how it's done. So from here, you can choose any of these pair. Just click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to ask you to choose the trade setting. So this is the trade setting. So usually what I would advise is just leave it at the 10 USDT. So don't take this, just leave this like this. Okay, so the margin call limit 7 times, whole profit take profit ratio 1.3%. So just leave it at the default setting to test the trading settings. Sure you get. So after you've done that, the next thing you need to do is just click on confirm up here. So click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, it's going to start trading the pair you choose automatically. So you can now click start and it's going to start trading the pair for you automatically. So this is basically how you can create your account and start trading with the robot. So like I said I'm going to add my link at the description of the video. So just click on the link to create an account for yourself. So once you've done creating the account, please join the WhatsApp group at the description of the video. So if you use my referral link, I'll be able to add you to the VIP group, whereby we're going to be showing you advanced trading settings that you can use to make extra income for yourself. All right, so this is basically how it works. And once you've started trading, you can come and check your revenue here. So your daily profit is going to be showing here. Okay, and as the robot is picking and selling trade for you, you'll be able to see it here at this transaction menu here. Okay, so click on the transaction menu to see your daily transaction as the robot is picking trade for you, as it's buying and selling for you. You'll be able to see it here. All right, so this is basically how you can do it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any question, please comment at the comment section. All right, so thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.